Hey Twin Cities, the Parade of Homes Remodeler Showcase is back September 27th through the 29th. It is the ultimate tour for home design and renovation. And don't miss the opportunity to step inside this gorgeous featured home by McDonald Remodeling, located at 2222 Mount View Avenue in Minneapolis. If you want to see the latest remodeling trends or simply want to get inspired and gather ideas for your own project, this is your rare opportunity to see what one of the most awarded home remodelers in the Twin Cities is capable of doing live in person. Nestled in Minneapolis' quaint Bryn Mawr neighborhood, this 50s two-story home was transformed for modern-day living. A load-bearing wall between the dining room and kitchen was removed to create an open concept for the homeowners. New hardwood was installed and laced into the existing wood flooring. The cramped and dated upper-level bathroom was redesigned to function not only as the main bathroom, but also as an extension to the newly laid-out primary suite. This project type includes renovations to the kitchen, main level, primary suite, and bathroom. The team at McDonald Remodeling was hired to partner with these homeowners to listen to their goals and design, manage, and execute this thoughtfully curated plan for their city home. Come see firsthand what makes McDonald Remodeling one of the most awarded home remodelers in the Twin Cities. For decades, they have remodeled homes that are beautiful, enduring, and of the highest quality. They celebrate design down to the last detail. If you have never witnessed what the best of the best are capable of doing up close and in person, you're in for a treat. Tour this one-of-a-kind home on the weekend of September 27th through September 29th from 12 until 6 each day. It's totally free to attend. See the latest remodeling trends and talk with the experts to get ideas on your own home. This featured home by McDonald Remodeling is located at 2222 Mount View Avenue in Minneapolis. It's open to the public and free to tour on Friday, September 27th through Sunday, September 29th from 12 until 6. To learn more about this home and get directions, click below. We'll see you there.